Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 13, 2024, 2-star Sudoku. First row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come. These cells, it will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come. The cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come. These cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then first row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Third grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, second row, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, fifth row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, sixth row, column A, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column A, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column H, 9th row, 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, column F, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Column I, 4th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 6th grade, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining and 6th grade, 3 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come this line is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column C, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come this, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The 8th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 6, 9. 9th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7th grade, 6 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 2. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. There are only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row and 1st grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3rd row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 1st grade and 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.